Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili honey sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Also, have a small saucepan and a whisk ready. A tiny pinch of salt can really bring out the best in your sauce, so don't forget that. Now let's get cooking. Pour all your measured ingredients into the saucepan. Place it over medium-low heat. Gently bring the mixture to a simmer, stirring constantly with your whisk. You'll want to keep it on the heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired consistency. It should thicken just a bit. This sauce is super versatile. Feel free to adjust the heat by adding more or fewer chili flakes to suit your taste. For an extra layer of flavor, try incorporating a dash of soy sauce. It adds a fantastic umami kick. Once cooled, transfer your delicious chili honey sauce to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade chili honey sauce. It's incredible drizzled over fried chicken, roasted vegetables, or even pizza. It also makes a fantastic dipping sauce for spring rolls, chicken wings, or even just a simple cracker. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.